Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Live Cockpit Pro with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, wood door panel insert, Comfort Assist keyless entry, wood dashboard insert, BMW Assist eCall emergency communication system, BMW teleservices, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.